Alright guys, let's go print another awesome 3D model together. If this is your first time watching a 3D print in action, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps, from 3D design to the final paint job. I'm an interior designer, so I usually design my own models. But don't worry if you're not into modeling, I'll drop the download links for ready files in the description so you can grab them too. First, we set everything up in the software, do a quick test print, make sure the printer's running smooth with no errors, and once it's all good, we export the file, load it on a flash drive, and boom, we're ready to print. My printer is just a small home one, not an industrial machine, but honestly, it does the job perfectly. I use different filaments depending on the model I'm printing. Now the magic begins, layer by layer, the filament melts and builds our cool design right in front of our eyes. If you want to check out my printer settings, I've explained them in detail in my first videos on the channel. I love printing famous figures, but sometimes I make useful stuff too, like vases, phone holders, candle stands, tissue boxes, or even little makeup organizers and pill cases I've designed for myself. But honestly, the figures feel alive. You kinda bond with them while you print. Kids love these flexible characters, and, yeah, you can even make money selling them. As we get to the final layers, the printer slows down for better accuracy, and done. Our model is ready. Now we gently remove it from the plate and start taking off the supports, carefully, so we don't damage the object. If you see small lines or bumps on the model, don't stress, a little primer and glue will fix it right up. Then comes the best part, painting. You'll need acrylic paints. I use both paints and markers, depending on the model. After removing the supports, we sand the surface to make it super smooth, and then we start painting, slowly and layer by layer. It's honestly the most relaxing part of the whole process. Once it's dry. Look at that. Our awesome model is done. Easy, right? Come on, hop over to my channel, we've got more figures to print together. And hey, drop a comment telling me what I should make next, I'll tag you when I print your idea. Thanks for hanging out with me, buddy. I really think 3D printing and painting can be both a fun hobby and a full-time job, it's so enjoyable. Alright, look at this, done. Wow, I love it, it turned out so cute. Now it's going next to its little buddy. The next video is going to be really exciting, so don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see it. This model is a hammer, and it's flexible too. Join me with my 40th 3D print model that you can actually make money from. Today I'm going to show you how I printed this fun toy and give it a bit of color. I've already uploaded a separate video on my channel showing all my printer settings, you can find the link right here in the description. I print a lot of flexible models because they're fun, super easy to make, and the results are always amazing. Plus, these kinds of models are still trending worldwide in 2026. Now I'm getting ready to paint this one. I don't want to color the whole thing, just add a little touch here and there. If you try acrylic markers, you'll totally love them, they're awesome. This step is one of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe to support me and give me that extra energy. Honestly, it's not hard at all, you just need to follow a few simple steps. If you want to print faster and with fewer errors, go watch my earlier videos, I've shared all my exact settings there. Oh, and usually I paint all my models with acrylics, but since this one's a gift I left it plain. Our awesome model is almost ready to show off. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments which model you'd like to see next, I might make it for you. Thanks for watching.